If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this really cute pink plain LED mirror from Amazon into this lovely blingy junky beautiful case, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some really cute embellishments onto this mirror. And I picked this up from Amazon. It's so cute. It has 3 different light settings. And I couldn't find my sandpaper, so I just used the back of my wax picker tool. It's like sharp. You can also use a pair of scissors or whatever just to scuff it up a little bit, just so that everything adheres well. Now I'm going to take some alcohol and just rub it off to make sure that there's nothing on it, no crumbs, nothing left from me scraping it. Then of course you want to make sure you dry it off. These are the cute pieces that I'll be adding. I use my perfume bottle UV resin mold to make the little perfume bottle. I am going to be using this UV resin as my glue because it's very quick and it's a nice strong hold. I poured it on because I couldn't find the right nozzle to put on my bottle. So I'm putting a decent amount because sometimes my perfume bottle isn't flush on the back and I want to make sure it rises enough to be able to lock everything in place. So basically I'm just going to be adding all my pieces. You can get these planner charms from different places. I ordered the particular ones you see right here from Planner Planet. Her website has been shut down for a few months now, so I'm not sure what's going on. But I also sell planners on my website. I just don't have these exact ones. MyRoyalRadiance.com. So I'm going to add a few pieces of gems and bling, and that's what you'll see me doing. Now I'm going to be adding some pearls and rhinestones to kind of fill up the outer edges. Once I have my bigger pieces, then I like to go in with my smaller pieces. And this mirror was $9.99 on Amazon. I think I charged $25 or $30. I think because I purchased the mirror, I should have charged a little bit more, but that's what I charged for this mirror. Maybe if I got the mirror for $5, that wouldn't have been as bad, but this mirror can get as high as like $14. It just depends. Now I'm going to let that cure under my UV LED lamp for a few moments so that when I have to turn this to the side, majority of it is already cured, so you don't have to worry about everything sliding. These pieces are big and sometimes it will start to slide if it's not already cured in place. Now, if you don't want to use UV resin, that is perfectly fine. You can just use E6000 glue, One Dot Not a Lot, or Gorilla Glue, or what's another good one? Liquid Fusion. So I felt like my perfume bottle was missing something, and I decided that I wanted to add on this cute little lavender bear on top of the perfume bottle as a little added decor. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this LED compact mirror. It's so junky, so blingy, so pretty. Now, I decided to add rhinestones to trim the passport planner. I'm glad I did. It's so cute. It makes it really pop. I just didn't record it for whatever reason, but I think it came out really pretty. Now, this is for, this order was for a friend of mine. She, for her birthday, she's going on a girls trip with 2 other of her good besties, and she's getting mirrors made for all 3 of them. She specifically wanted hers to be pink, and she wanted hers to have this oval shape. It's kind of like an oval square. She specifically wanted this shape. She loves to travel, so I used the passport planner. The other 2 mirrors I made for her friends will be in a separate video, but this is really cute. The holidays are coming up. This will make an excellent gift or just something cute to have in your own purse. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook, and you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.